Speaking English. Action verbs with examples.
I am reading a book.
I am walking in the park.
I am cooking dinner.
I am running to catch the bus.
I am singing a song.
I am dancing at the party.
I am writing a letter.
I am eating an apple.
I am drinking water.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am jumping on the bed. I am playing soccer.
I am watching TV.
I am listening to music.
I am talking to my friend.
I am laughing at a joke.
I am crying because I'm sad.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing the dishes.
I am cleaning my room.
I am riding a bicycle.
I am climbing a mountain.
I am painting a picture.
I am drawing a cat.
I am studying for my exam.
I am driving a car.
I am teaching English.
I am learning Spanish.
I am shopping for groceries.
I am buying a new shirt.
I am selling my old phone.
I am working on my computer.
I am typing an email.
I am calling my mom.
I am texting my friend.
I am taking a photo.
I am cutting vegetables.
I am baking a cake.
I am opening the door.
I am closing the window.
I am planting a tree.
I am feeding the dog.
I am washing my hands.
I am tying my shoes.
I am stretching my arms.
I am lifting weights.
I am sleeping in my bed.
I am dreaming about my future.